Okay, so let's say that you bought a new laptop, but you don't really have the money to buy a new you don't really have the money to buy a mouse. And when you use your touchpad, every time you click on W, A, S, or D, the mouse literally won't turn. So it's almost if you don't really have a choice. So, and then you're freezing up, you can't hit any of your targets. You're gonna have to get a mouse. But actually, you don't. There's actually a setting you can change, and I can show you two ways to get it. Okay, so this is my gameplay after before you change this thing. It's pretty mid, freezing up. Can't really shoot anything. Computer in general is also pretty bad, but yeah, it's freezing. And then we're gonna show you what it looks like after. So yeah. Now there are two ways to do this, and let's go for the first way through settings. So we're gonna go through settings. Then I'm gonna search up touchpad settings, more touchpad settings, and then here. Now before you do this, make sure that all your drivers are updated. So you're gonna get this right. Right. So then you're gonna click settings, and then in the Synapse control panel, which basically is the maker of the driver. Anyways, you're gonna go to settings to advanced. You're gonna go to Palm Tech threshold, and you see, and then you're gonna turn this to minimum. Then after that, there's also other things here. If you just want to change those, if you just want to, but there's really no need. Anyways, after you do that, you can click OK. And yeah, that's one of the ways how to do it. And the second way to do it is pretty simple. It's just the same thing, but first steps. The first thing I'm gonna do is type in control panel and then click it. Then I'm gonna go to hardware and sound, device and printer, mouse. Then we're in the same place again. Click settings, advanced, put it to a minimum. So those are the only two ways that I know how to do it. And now you should be able to click any key while at the same time move your mouse. So now let's test again to see if what we did worked. This is a different game, but you see I can move my mouse while I'm moving. She's still winning by a lot. Got him. Let's go. That's a sniper. Crap. Alright, well, I'm still pretty bad because, well, always have been. But at least I'm playing better now. So yeah, that's how you I'm gonna end it like that. See ya. Please subscribe because, well, it means a lot to me. It's just a YouTube channel, but I mean, I'm gonna get popular one day. I just like you to subscribe. I mean, if you don't like my content, you don't have to, but please. Oh, see ya.